Jason Owen here from PlayIt Software, and today we're going to look at exporting and importing the Playout log for saving and loading playlists in PlayIt Live. So here we are in PlayIt Live version 2.08, which is the version you'll need to access the export and import functionality for the Playout log. Now if you scroll down to the 3 o'clock hour, you'll see that we have some tracks scheduled here. And let's say that, for example, we want to move this to a future hour because we want to either repeat it or the show has been moved. So in order to do this, you can go to the three dots at the top right of the hour and click on Export. This will bring up the Export Playout log window with the date range already selected, and you can click on the Export button. You will then need to save this to a file. It will predefine the file name to a default, which you can just accept and click Save. This will then bring up a preview of what's actually been saved, which is just a list of items in a text file. You could also generate one of these manually or from an external scheduler if you wanted to, but that's a topic for another video another time. So if I close this and scroll down to say 5 o'clock, I can import this back into this hour. To do this, I can click on the three dots again and click Import, and then clicking Browse, I can select the file I just saved. It's worth pointing out here, as this text says, that if you import, it will replace the content of the entire date range. So if you already have items scheduled here, make sure that you either back them up by exporting them, or if you don't care about them, understand that they will be overwritten. Click on Import, and this will import what we just saved above into this hour. So you'll see that at 5 o'clock, the start of the hour is the same as the 3 o'clock hour. If I had some other plans for the 3 o'clock hour, I can click on the three dots again and click on Clear. And then it will warn me that I'm about to delete all the items in this hour. I can click on Delete to confirm. This will then clear out the items ready for me to drag and drop some new tracks or schedule this later. I'm just going to re-import the 3 PM hour again for this next bit. So let's say I wanted to export multiple hours. So I want to export the 3 o'clock and the 4 o'clock hour. Well, that's quite easy to do as well. You can click on the three dots again and click on Export. And then we just increase the end time to 5 o'clock. So this is now a 2 hour long range. And then click on Export. You can click on Save. And now on the export format, we've got an hour here, another one here, and all the items in between. I'll just close this off. And now I want to go and import this into a future hour. So let's say 7 o'clock. If I scroll down to this, and if I click on the three dots again and click on Import, and then select the file that I just created, you'll see that I get a warning here telling me that the duration of the time range does not match the file contents. The software had a look at the file content and decided that it is actually 2 hours in it, and your date range is only 1 hour. You can see we can easily fix that by clicking on Fix, and it will increase it to a 2 hour range from 7 until 9. I can click on Import, and it will import it into the 7 and 8 o'clock hours. That's how simple it is to export and import the Playout log in PlayIt Live, and can easily be used for saving and loading playlists. So for example, if you planned a show and it's actually in the wrong hour, and you need to import it into a later date, you can export that R and re-import it at a later point in time. That's all I got to show for exporting and importing the Playout log in PlayIt Live. If you like this video, please click the like button below and leave your comments in the comments section below. And to keep up to date with the latest goings on at PlayIt Software, you can subscribe to us on YouTube and like us on Facebook. And don't forget to join our Facebook group on facebook.com/groups/PlayIt Software, where we've got a great community of users who will help you out with any issues. I've been Jason Allen from PlayIt Software.